My name is Bjarke, and I'm an industrial PhD student in the breeding and genetics department, and my project is about improving how we breed for longevity in our sow population. The project is a collaboration between breeding and genetics at Danish Agriculture and Food Council and quantitative genetics and genomics at Aarhus University. What separates this project compared to previous projects on longevity is the availability of data that we have. Using the nucleus management data is just a unique chance to actually measure longevity in production herds. The clear ambition is that we want to improve the longevity in our population, and we want to specifically do that by improving the way we breed for longevity. We already have longevity in our breeding goal. Longevity is currently implemented where the data comes from multiplier sows. And we know that multiplier sows are treated differently than production sows. So when you're looking at something like survival, then it's important which type of herd you're measuring it in. So what we want to do is we want to take the data collection out of the multiplier herds and put it into the production herds. But when you do that, you have some technical complications that you also have to figure out how to solve. Longevity is a trait that is mainly affected by environment, especially when you're looking in commercial herds. The heritability is a measure of how much variation between sows that is due to genetics. So when I say that the heritability for longevity, for example, can be 5%, it's one of the estimates that we got in the study, means that 5% of the differences between the sows is due to genetics, and the rest is unexplainable environment. The studies in purebred animals have heritabilities between 20 and 30%, while the studies in crossbred commercial herds, the heritability is between 1 and 10%. We expect that this practice is going to contribute to that we get more genetic progress for longevity in our population, and then as a consequence of that, be able to raise or improve the sow survival in the herds that use our genetics. That's the end goal.